All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today, we're doing part 2 of backpacking to Nicaragua. In our last video, we started at the Liberia International Airport and rode the municipal bus from there to the primary intersection in Liberia. In this video, we're going to pick up from that very location and start walking north towards Nicaragua, looking for the bus stop, which is located right here, just outside of the main part of town. But a spoiler alert, we don't end up making the bus, so we're just going to explore Liberia at night in this video. But in the next video, I'm sure we will get on the bus to Nicaragua. If you guys want to support the channel like someone who bought a coffee, you can follow the link in the description below or scan the link on screen, and Colin bought a coffee. Thanks for the kind comments. If you guys are enjoying the videos, leave me a comment here on YouTube, even if just to say hello. Now let's get into it. All right, so guys, second part of the trip. I went over to the bus station over there and asked about where I got to go. And they said, oh, you got to go back to the bridge way down there where we jumped off the last one. And then I got there and I'm like, this doesn't look like Tica Bus stops here. So it said on the map the Tica Bus stop is up ahead here. Now, yeah, I didn't get a ticket. So we're going to see what happens if I just go wait there. I guess we're going to test it live. I'm just going to go wait there and see maybe if they got room, if I can jump on the Tica Bus. So keep you posted.
5 minutes later.
All right, so that was a bit of a long walk. This apparently is the stop for Tica Bus. Man, my brain's not working right now. I've been walking so far. It's a long walk. It looks shorter than it is. My God, man, I'm tired. So I don't know. I'm kind of optimistic. I just saw 2 people over there just jump off a bus or something. They have backpacks, so I feel like maybe this is a spot. My bro here just told me this is a stop for Tica Bus. So, you know, I don't know, man. He said, bro here said that we can maybe jump on the bus without a ticket and just pay on the bus. So I'm hoping that's the case. I'm just keeping my eye out so I can flag down the Tica Bus.
5 minutes later.
All right, so this is not a bus, as you can see. It's got air conditioning. It's got a bathroom. I'm going to close the door, guys. So we're staying tonight in Liberia. So this is Hotel Primavera. Look at the security here. So secure. So if you come here, this is where you check in. Right here. I've stayed here a lot, man. I like it here. This is a cool hotel. And it's right downtown, as you see. We've stayed here before. We've done some videos here before. This was $40 to stay for the night with an air conditioning. I think if you don't want an air conditioning, it's like $32 or something. So pretty good value. And we're learning things, guys. We're learning things as we walk here. Probably not going to cross Central America, just showing up at random bus stops. Probably going to have to do some better planning. Which sucks. That's okay. I just emailed a company called Tica Bus. Apparently they come through back at the bridge. So the bridge is down that way. They come through tomorrow morning at 3:20 a.m. which is early. So guys, seriously, Liberia. So yeah, we got to decide on what we're doing here, guys. We got to make a choice on what we're doing. Got some, mopeds. Those look kind of new. Those look kind of like new mopeds. It's like $1,000. This one, Serpento. And I don't know if that's looks like a motorcycle. But $1,000 for a little like moped. That's not bad. That's not a bad hit. Is it street legal? Gotta stop. Let's go walk this way. So they got like Christmas festivities out. I don't know what I just said. Festivities? Very cool. Man, my brain is cooked. All that walking with the backpack on, I haven't done that kind of work in a while. And I don't know even if when I was doing it, if it was any much better. Just takes the life out of you walking with a heavy backpack through the sun. So, I mean, let's go walk in here and see snowman. Dude, that's actually kind of funny. There's a snowman in Liberia. It's so hot. Snowmen are cool no matter what. Maybe soon I'll see the snow. That's where I'm heading. I'm heading towards the snow. And I'm not impressed. I actually just heard, so I have an option, right? I can fly back to Canada, as I said in the first video, and I chose the long way. But right now there's a snowstorm in Toronto, which is not cool. Man, I think they like renovated this park recently. Oh look, there's a ginger thing. Ginger house. Yeah, let's go look at that. That's pretty cool. There's Ginger house over here. Ginger house. There you go. Ginger house 2026. Might be when you're watching this video. There's a star. Oh, there's a little thing for photos. It's fantastic. Fantastic. You know how busy the park is, man. This is fun. This is a fun little park. Here is like a tunnel. A cylinder of lights, as they say. Everybody's taking photos. It's fantastic. Oh, and there's a trampoline over here, guys. We've got a trampoline over here. How fun. Que divertido. Look at this. Look at this trampoline. The kids going at it on a trampoline. And a big Christmas tree. Fantastic. Wow. That's a big Christmas tree. Wow. Here's the church. Let's go have a peekaboo inside the church. It looks like stuff's going on, so I'm not even going to walk very close. Let's have a peek. We've seen this church before. I'm going to shut up. Nice. That's nice. Oh, and the Liberia sign. Liberia. The Liberia sign. Liberia. We got to check that out. Hey, there's a Papa John's right there. Wow, I didn't know that. I wonder if that's new. That's cool. That is cool. This looks like an old historic building right here, which is interesting. Very nice. We got to see the Liberia sign though. So all around here, guys, all around in Liberia, there's tons of like restaurants and stuff like that. Hostels. I mean, I'm trying to do the hostel tour here. Too old for it, but there you go, Liberia. Nice. That is cool. I think I'm too old for this kind of backpacking business, but I kind of want to just do it just because I can say I did it. I like doing stuff just so I can say I did it. So we're going to try to hit the hostels, and there's lots of hostels. I stayed at a hostel one time, like way down there in a private room. It was pretty good. I forget what that one was called. So guys, tomorrow, stay tuned. We're going to figure out, we got to go back to the main road and then head a couple hours north and hit Nicaragua. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, as always, for more videos traveling in Costa Rica. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.